Genre, drama. Essential question. How do plants change as they grow? Read about a girl whose plant grows too much. The Big Yucca Plant by Magali Morales. Meet the characters. Narrator. Paco. Lola. Anna. Dad. Mom. Pig. Cat. Rat. Narrator. A girl is planting. Paco. Hello, sis. What plant is that? Lola. It is a yucca. It should grow a root that we can eat. Paco. Yum. Can we help you? Lola. Yes. Anna can help me dig. You can get the plant water. Paco. The sun will shine and the plant will grow. Anna. Grow, plant, grow. Narrator. Many days pass. Dad. Look at the size of that plant. Mom. Yes, it is green and pretty, but it is as big as we are. Lola. My yucca did grow. It is time to pull it up. Narrator. She tugs and tugs. Lola. I can't get it. It is too big. Paco. I will help. I will grab you. You grab the plant. Lola. This plant is stuck. Anna. I can tug. Come up, yucca. Dad. That is quite a plant. Let us help. Narrator. Mom and Dad tug, but the plant does not come up. Paco. There are 5 of us pulling, but the yucca is still stuck. Lola. Who can we ask for help? Mom. Ask Pig. Pig is big. She can tug. Lola. Pig, can you help? Pig. Yes, I will help. I will tug Mom. Mom. And I will tug Dad. Dad. And I will tug Anna. Anna. And I will tug Paco. Paco. And I will tug Lola. Lola. And I will tug the yucca plant. Narrator. But the plant does not move a bit. Anna. This plant can't be picked. Lola. Yes, it can. There must be a way. We can ask Cat. Paco. Cat, will you help? Cat. But I am not big like Pig. Lola. You can still help. Together we can get the yucca out. Cat. I will do my best. Narrator. They all tug, but the plant is still stuck. Lola. Should we ask that rat to help? Paco. A rat? A rat is little. He can't help. Rat. Yes, I can. Rat. Take this vine. Tie it to the plant. We all must tug on the vine. Lola. Yes, do as Rat said. Narrator. They get in a line. Lola. Grab the vine and tug. Dad. It is out at last. Anna. What a fine yucca. Pig. It could win a prize. Mom. We all must thank Rat. Lola. You are little, but you are wise. All. Thank you.